In this video, we will learn how to scale LLM prototypes efficiently. Have you ever built a great LLM prototype only to find that scaling it becomes a budget nightmare? You're not alone. It's a common challenge.
In today's competitive world, scaling LLMs efficiently is both a technical and business necessity. Managing costs helps AI projects deliver value and reach users.
AI system performance and scalability rely on multiple interconnected factors, including data scale, model size, inference speed, user concurrency, and overall cost efficiency.
Reducing precision makes quantized models smaller, faster to load, and more efficient, lowering costs and speeding up inference. A central LLM connects multiple enterprise systems to gather and process data in real time. Integrate these techniques into an LLMOps framework for continuous deployment, monitoring, and reliable AI delivery. Scaling Gen AI requires a strong, well-coordinated foundation across systems. Infrastructure, data, monitoring, and users must work together to ensure performance, reliability, and impact.